show you how to do static addition with the help of stamp game. These are stamps. This is units. This is tens. This is 100. And this is 1000. So by this number we will do static addition. 4506 tens, 3 units. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. 6 tens. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. 500. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 4000. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Now we will add this number. 2300, 2 tens, 1 unit. 1 unit. 1 unit. 2 tens. 1 ten, 2 ten. 300. 100, 200, 300. 2000. 1000, 2000. Now we will add these two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 10, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 thousands. So our answer is 6,808 tens, 4 units.